Good evening, friends. We will be looking at a momentum trade in crude that I took today. Potentially, someone, if they were watching all through the day, would have made a profit of 14,600 on one lot of crude by trading in crude put options. I will show you how. So, this is how momentum trading works. If you look at the chart, crude oil chart, if you see here, it had created a triangle formation. This line joining the tops and this line joining the bottoms. It had created a kind of triangle or a wedge, downward sloping wedge. Then it gave a breakout yesterday, and this was more like a bull trap. So people who took the breakout, uh, they got fooled because then the market went down. And today, this is where the market closed yesterday, this level. So it closed yesterday at 7576, and today the market opened back down from 7576. The market opened directly at 7500, and so it broke this triangle very conclusively. Again, this level was very close to this demand zone, so we had to wait for this demand zone to be broken conclusively. So what I was doing was I was watching this sideways movement till I got a conclusive break below this demand zone, which was a very powerful one. So here, if you see the demand zone, I had put an alert here. So when it got triggered, price went down from here, and the alert got triggered, which is when I started watching the price. When it closed below this level, the low of this hammer candle, I entered a short trade. So when I say I entered a short trade, if we take crude futures, it requires a huge margin. So what I did was I bought a 7500 option when it broke below this level, and 7500 put option in October series I bought here. And in the market, and my stop loss was if the price had gone up above this level, the sideways channel high, I would have booked a loss. So here I bought 7500 put, and it as the price kept falling, the put value also kept increasing. Here there was a confusion on whether I should hold or not, but my stop loss was set, so I did not worry too much. And it fell again from here. And when it reached here, if you look at if you look at this level 7502, 7500, and if you look at this level 7408, so almost 100 points. So 100 points was my risk roughly, and the price reached here. So from 400, the price reached somewhere here 7300, which means I had gained a 100-point reward here. So when I got a 100-point reward, I started waiting. So I moved the stop loss above this level, above the last large red candle, so that whatever happens, I will take some profits home. And then it happened. Actually, it moved sideways for some time, and here it broke this level. I put an alert here also. It broke this level, and it closed my position. So in this process, I was able to make 5,600 per lot uh, on one lot of crude put option, 7500 put option. This is how you trade on momentum. Typically, if you see, the momentum was very clearly downwards. And when I looked at the longer term charts, like when I went to the monthly chart, there was a very strong downward momentum. When I went to the weekly chart, again there was there was a big bull candle here, but yesterday on Monday it had shown a negative. So there was a chance that it could turn from here. So there was a possibility of a negative momentum. So it was like I would say, a bearish harami formation yesterday. Here it will be clearer. See. So it went up here and then it created this hammer candle here, downward sloping hammer candle. And here there was a pro gap. So if you look at this together, it was a very clear indication that the price is likely to fall today. And when it gave a gap down open today, I was very clear that I can make money by shorting crude. And that is what I did. So this is how you trade the momentum. So overall momentum is down, long-term momentum is down. The immediate momentum was up, but it is turning down. And today the momentum was completely down. So I took that short trade and made some good money out of it. Making 5,600 rupees on one lot of crude within a few hours is not bad. It beats any bank returns. So that is how you trade momentum. I hope this is very clear. The way I have taken this trade is very clear. If you have any questions, you can put those in the comments. If you feel I have made some wrong decisions, but I was just lucky to get that profit, please also mention that. I will also learn from that. And before I end the video, just wanted to put a disclaimer. This is not an investment advice. I am not a qualified investment advisor. I am only sharing my trades from a learning purpose so that if others are learning, they can see how I am making my money or how I am losing my money as well in some of the trades. And if I am making some mistakes, experts can point out where I made the mistakes and I can also learn from the process. So please don't invest based on these videos. Learn from these videos. Also help me learn by your feedback. So I'm looking forward to your comments. Thank you.